Hello everyone. Can you solve the given question within a minute? No? It is looking so difficult? Okay. Today I am going to explain how to solve this type of questions. Let's start. Here x is given and we want to find which of the following expression is correct. So for this we can write this expression as x equal to 1 plus 1 by x, and this is equal to x plus 1 upon x. So this implies x square equal to x plus 1, and this implies x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So we can say that expression B is correct. Hope you enjoyed today's video. The given question was looking so difficult. However, we solved it within a minute. Find more such type of questions. There are the links in the description, where you can find many different types of questions. Those are asked in competitive examinations like CAT, MAT, GMAT, railways, bank PO, insurance, income tax exams. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.